One of my good students turned in this assignment, and good design, but as you zoom in close you can see it's a little ragged in spots. I have some stray pixels and things like that going around. Um, anyway, this is a perfect job for using vector shapes. So what I would like to do right now is to recreate this using vector shapes and show you how to do that. So the first thing that I need to do is come into the View menu and do a new guide layout. What I want are 2 columns and 2 rows with no gutter space there, and that will give me a perfect crosshair with a dead center on this. Alright, so now I'm going to go and choose my rectangle tool, and I will choose this yellow color, and we'll start right there and draw a shape. You'll notice that there is no stroke and it's just fill only. Okay, so we'll make sure this is on new layer, and we'll come and we want that to stay yellow. We'll come and do another one right here, and we'll change that to red. Now we have the back of it. We'll go start on the circle, so we'll choose our ellipse tool, and what I want to do is get right dead center there, and I'm going to click first, and then I'm going to hold my Option and Shift key down. That would be Alt and Shift on a PC, and we'll drag out from the center. That allows us to drag out from the center like that, and we'll change that one to the yellow color. Okay, we'll come and do the same thing again. Click first, Option and Shift, drag out from the center, and we'll change that to red. Alright. No, that one needs to be blue as I look at it, because that's the outside color on it. Now we could put a stroke on that if we wanted to, and we can do like a red stroke around that, whatever number of pixels that we'd like to do. Okay, so now we'll come in and we'll do our red circle, and we'll hold our Option and Shift to constrain it, and we'll come out just so that there's a little bit of blue showing, and we'll say there's no fill or no stroke on this one, and this one will be a red circle. Alright, now if I come up here, I can switch to subtract the front shape, but we'll need to draw the shape first. So what we want to do, you'll see I have a little minus key there, and so we'll click first, Option and Shift, and zoom back in. So that cut a hole in it. Now we'll go back up to new layer again, and we'll do the small circles. So I'm going to get right dead center here and hold my Option and Shift, and we'll change that to blue. Alright, so I'm going to copy that and paste it, and then I'm going to do an Command Option T, which is a free transform, and we'll take this center point right down here to the center, like so. Okay, and I will come up here and I'll hold my Shift key down, and move that one to there and press enter. Now I'll do the step and repeat. That's Command, Option, Shift, and T, and I'll keep pressing that until I have all of the circles. So as you can see, if I hide all the extras, Command H, and we zoom in really close, you can see that that is just as clean as can be, and that's the purpose for using vector shapes. They look a little jagged on the screen, but if I were to print it out, they would be perfectly smooth no matter what resolution